Malaysia has long been recognized as a premier destination for electronic manufacturing. Situated in the heart of Southeast Asia, Malaysia provides easy access to major markets in Asia-Pacific, Europe, and North America. PICA Manufacturing Solutions selected Malaysia to establish an electronic assembly facility, further solidifying the country's reputation as an attractive investment destination. Malaysia boasts a highly developed infrastructure network that supports the electronics manufacturing industry. Malaysia's workforce is another key asset driving its success in electronic manufacturing. The Malaysian government actively promotes electronic manufacturing through various initiatives and incentives. By integrating advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and automation in its operations, PICA contributes to Malaysia's vision of becoming a hub for high-value electronic manufacturing. Malaysia is a key player in the global semiconductor industry, contributing approximately 13% to global chip assembly and testing. Sustainability has become a priority for manufacturers worldwide, and Malaysia is no exception. The government encourages the adoption of green manufacturing practices, and many companies in Malaysia are investing in energy-efficient technologies and renewable energy sources. PICA is highly sensitive to environmental issues, making sustainability a core focus in its operations. Malaysia's strategic advantages and supportive business environment make it a thriving hub for electronic manufacturing, as demonstrated by the success of PICA Manufacturing Solutions.